Land documents were reported to have been distributed to the villagers of Sarthe Killing under number 1 Taralangso area and Jensing Tiso village under Lamding Road 7 km area here on Sunday. With the theme of "Thee Will Call Him Emmanuel," Joint Christian Committee of Baithalangso organized pre-Christmas at Thengralangso. An autonomous state demand committee and its frontal organizations have extended their support to the 11 hours ban call given by Northeast Students Organization, demanding for repeal to the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kant News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Land documents were reported to have been distributed to the villagers of Sarthe Killing under number 1 Taralangso area and Jensing Tiso village under Lamding Road 7 km area here on Sunday. Executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge for land and revenue, Mr. Amar Singh Tiso, handed over the land documents to 38 households to the dwellers of Sarthe Killing village and 18 households to the villagers of Jensing Tiso. The distribution ceremony was attended by MSc Ram Singh Tingum, former MLA Vidya Singh Inglang, ARO Revenue Ken Singh Tiso, and many dignitaries were attended the distribution ceremony.
Nana tumla bang thong kebra hi ni pota ke long pena ke joy pen ke long pen ko an
ningarong ulo bini kado beta la sito dapen ta ing ho ra lo ai chowa pin sita i chong ho ra lo bini bang pulo da prang ni li pula he nang li tu paderi ko ngorli wang da prang nai si bai trok si lom ben da ka chong hong lo ta lang li ta asap bu tora du chat mande hap lang li tum le ching ki thanang kok wa joi ni pen si alang li ta der che da pola ni li tum thang ning oi tha we alang li puthot bang thu pen li tum phanang karon pen si a pen ningarong pat pik lan li pini.
All right. With the theme of "Thee Will Call Him Emmanuel," Joint Christian Committee of Baithalangso organized pre-Christmas celebration at Thengralangso in West Karbi Anglong District here on Sunday. That's the report. With the theme "Thee Will Call Him Emmanuel," Joint Christian Committee of Baithalangso organized pre-Christmas celebration at Thengralangso in West Karbi Anglong District here on Sunday. Pastor Omega Korkoria was the speaker of this joyous pre-Christmas celebration and gave the message of love, peace and harmony to the congregation. The Christian came from all nook and corner to receive the blessing of Christ. At the same time, the prayer was also performed for the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, so as to rule and govern the people of the district in peace and harmony manner. Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, along with Richard Togby, attended as the chief guest and guest of honor.
Arnam apan ke tum chiki vek nangji Arnam hon kroy vek nangji Arnam sung olok lamde jokta ke sung ke o Arnam nang ratha Arnam hirjumi nang pitha lasi ile tum Arnam apan ke tum hemfu apan ke tum kai ke tame hirjumi chhang pon bom nangji.
Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang said that let the peace of joy and harmony prevail among all the people of the district at this Christmas.
মই কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিমানখিনি ইয়াত বাহিন্দা স্থানীয় বাহিন্দাবিলাকৰ যাতে সুখ শান্তিৰে থাকে আৰু আহিবলগীয়া কামবিলাক যিবিলাকৰ যাতে পূৰণ হয় তাৰ কাৰণে মই বৰদিনত যিটো আমাৰ ভগৱান যিটো জিজাছ সেই জিজাছ যাতে আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ দিয়ে আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলং যাতে শান্তি বজাই ৰাখে তাৰ কাৰণে মই ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ যীশুৰ ওচৰত মই প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ যে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী একেলগে থাকি কাৰ্বি আংলং শান্তি বজাই ৰাখিব লাগিব কাৰ্বি আংলং উন্নতি কৰিব লাগিব আৰু ব্যক্তিগত যিবিলাক আশা আকাংক্ষাবিলাকত যাতে পূৰণ হয় তাৰ কাৰণে যীশুৱে আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ দিব। থ্যাংক ইউ।
New report, Cut News. Alright, so let's slip into a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. Autonomous State Demand Committee and its frontal organizations have extended their support to the 11 hours Northeast ban call given by Northeast Students Organization demanding the repeal of contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill from the Parliament. The Union government will table the Citizenship Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha on Monday and in Rajya Sabha on Tuesday to make the illegal immigrants who are Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan and who are eligible for the Indian citizenships. In a press release here on Saturday, the ASDC said that Citizenship Amendment Bill will be a threat to the indigenous communities living in the Tree Hills district of Assam. Autonomous State Demand Committee also condemned the BJP for turning a blind eye to the democratic protests against the bill by various students' organizations and political organizations here in Karbi Anglong and across the Northeast. Alright, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.